Hey, what's up you guys? It's Scott with Everyday Home Repairs, and I'm guessing you're here because you're at your bathroom faucet or maybe your shower and you're turning the hot water on, and it might be only getting to kind of lukewarm or warm, but you would like a truly hot water setting. There can be a few different sources of this issue and things that you can adjust very easily and quickly to get that water temperature to where you want it. So stick around and I'll show you how to adjust a common water heater to get that water temperature to where you want it. So first we'll actually want to find the temperature of our hot water setting. So you can go to your bathroom faucet and crank the valve all the way to the hot setting and give it some time. It takes time for the hot water to warm up all your plumbing lines and get to the faucet. So let it get to a steady state. And then once it gets to a steady state, just take a simple Tupperware bowl, whatever, glass, and fill it with hot water. And then take a standard thermometer out of, say, your kitchen that you use for baking, and just dip it within the water, and then let the temperature rise until it stops moving. And then this is going to be your temperature. Here, it's about 118 or 119 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so we're at the water heater. This is a fairly standard 50-gallon gas water heater. You'll know it's gas. If you don't already, you'll see the little valve on the bottom. If this was electric, you would see a little panel here and a panel down here, and the actual setting would be down on that lower panel if this was an electric water heater. So let's take a closer look and I'll show you how to adjust the valve to get the proper water temperature. All right, down at the gas valve, there isn't much to it. Now this is a newer style valve made by Honeywell. You might see a classic valve which has a big red dial on it. It's gonna work the same and pretty much have the same settings on it. So you can see mine right now is set between low temperature and hot temperature. Now, after you've measured the actual temperature of your water, again, you're looking for that 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit setting. Now, you can adjust according to your preferences, but I would not go past 125 because that could start to be harmful, and especially if you have children, you don't want to scold them as they crank the faucet or the shower to all the way to hot. So you can just make a small adjustment if you need to warm it up. And you'll hear the valve kick on, the flames start, and then the water heater start to heat the water inside. That's it. So you want to wait for the flame to stop and the water to get to the temperature for this setting, and then go back and retest that water temperature to see if you got it up to your desired 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. And that is really all there is to it. A super easy fix for a very common problem around your house. Now, if within your shower, the temperature is still not getting to where you want it, the problem could not be your water heater. Maybe your water heater setting is correct. You're getting the correct temperature water at your bathroom faucet, but your shower or your tub is not going to the temperature range that you want. That could be because on the actual handle, on the valve for your shower, there is a limiter. If that is your issue, go ahead and click on this video. I'll walk you through on a Delta valve how to adjust that and to get it properly set so you get the temperature to where you want it. If you like this sort of video, if it helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to our channel as we have new videos coming to you weekly to help you with your everyday home repairs, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.